Okay, fellow van lifers and van builders, I'm here with Campbell of Sekr.
Hello.
And I am so excited to have met Campbell today. And Campbell, tell us more about yourself.
Absolutely. Hi, I'm Campbell. I'm the head of marketing here at Sekr. And we are an app that's like your all-in-one place resource for camping and outdoor travel. We've got free and paid campsites. We've got where to get water and propane, and you can meet up with other travelers all in one place.
It is so awesome. So tell us more about Sekr.
Absolutely. So Sekr started about 2.5 years ago. We were founded by two kick-ass women that are full-time van lifers, and they saw a need in the community to get outdoors, make it easy. The average camper requires 16 different apps, and we think that is ridiculous. So we are making it one.
It is rad. So what is unique about Sekr compared to other van life apps and overlanding apps?
Absolutely. I would say the most unique part is our community aspect. We have the ability to host your own meetings and gatherings all in one place. In addition to, you can find other campers on the road.
Yeah, that is rad. I am really looking forward to using that myself here.
Right on.
And so what about, what's your favorite feature in Sekr?
Okay, my favorite feature, I would say, is the ability to message other travelers. So, if I'm in a new location, I can reach out and be like, hey, I've never been here. What's your favorite campsite? Where can I grab a beer? And I can do that all in the app. And so cool.
That is rad. So, and do people have to buy Sekr, or?
Never. So it is a free app, and we hope to always keep it that way because our community matters. We'll build things like subscription models and build out really cool features within it, but our base will always be free.
So Sekr really is like the all-encompassing van life app where you not only can find camping places, but also community while on the road and other resources.
Exactly, exactly. So we are all in one place, and we're making it happen. And it's raining, and it doesn't matter because we've got that badass of an app.
That's right. Awesome. Well, that is so great, Campbell. Thank you so much for sharing more today. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
Download Sekr. You can find it on any of the app stores. Check out our website and check us out.
Right on. Perfect. Thanks for sharing today, Campbell. Here in the rain at the Van Expo in Dillon, Colorado. Beautiful Dillon. Thanks, Campbell.